Before I start talking, I want to first wish this beautiful soul, ALWELL Ademola, I want to wish her um, a peaceful rest. May her soul rest in peace. Àwọn ọmọ tó ń fi sílẹ̀, Ọlọ́run á dúró tì wọ́n. Mọ́mì wọn àti gbogbo family wọn pátápátá. Good evening, Ola Ismail. Good to see you. Gbogbo àwọn ẹbí wọn pátápátá. I pray that God will give them the fortitude to bear this great loss. She's one of the actresses that I like because she's drama free. You know, you guys know that I'm on Facebook. I've been on Facebook for years, and you know all this celebrity gossip. I do carry it. I have never carried any news about this lady. ALWELL. She's scandal free. Even when she does interview, there is no, you can't pick any scandal from her interview. She just, you know, from the little, of course, I don't know her personally. I can only speak about, Mobi is welcome. I can only speak about what I know, what we all see on social media. And that is what we always use to judge our celebrity. We don't know them, you know, out of social media. So whatever we see on social media is what we talk about. And on social media, like I said, I have never carried, except I want to carry, maybe she's out celebrating our colleagues, birthday. That is what I've carried about her. I have not carried any news, you know, that is negative news about her before. She's jack of all trades, you know, apart from being an actor, she also sings. You know, if you go on social media, she also sings. So I pray because any I kind of you guys know that I lost my brother this year. So when I see this kind of a thing, it always takes me back. It's not something that anybody wish for. Like I always say, even Goka my jargon, Yoruba mani pe biti ka kuko. Shawara watoku, Ọlọ́run ma dé mi wá sí. Like I said, she's scandal free, she sings, she's a very happy soul, even when you see all of her videos. So I just pray, pe k'Ọlọ́run kó jọ̀ọ́, kó fún àwọn ẹbí ẹ̀ ní fortitude láti bí ẹ̀. The reason why I've decided to talk about talk about this particular topic is because of the things that were being said after she passed. A lot of people were making videos, and I realized that anytime, you know, we lose any of our celebrity in Nigeria, the same thing always happen. And I just felt the need to talk about it. And it happens outside social media too. My Lala, what? It's not just on social media. Outside social media, where you see a relative or a friend will pass, then you see some people come up, instead of them to celebrate, you know, the life of that person. That's all you can do when somebody pass. Assuming to ba je wípé ALWELL, sister fún mi, assuming to ba je wípé ALWELL was sick, maybe she was on a sick bed, and you know the family members were asking for help for her, and a lot of her, you know, colleagues were not forthcoming or not helping. There might be, and I use that might be carefully, because even at that, I might not still blame anybody, because I don't know. But that is not even the case for this beautiful soul. I still saw a video about 20 hours before she passed. I saw a video that she made, a new video, where she did a video where she was playing, "In the name of Jesus, I will see the end of this year." Maybe 20 minutes ago, because when I went back to check the video says 22 hours ago. So by the time you're going to hear about or possible hours, or possible you know, a day before gone, before so that means that means she left like 10-12 hours after she made that video. So what I'm trying to say is she wasn't on a sick bed. There was no clamoring for donation for her. Like I said, I realize that is what always happens on social media. You see people coming and saying, what's in RIP, video, film, instead of people to now concentrate on celebrating the life of that person. Nobody knows. But nobody knows what time is written. But ibi tí mo wá ń lọ gangan ni wípé, why tó ṣe jẹ́ wípé tí àwọn èèyàn tá nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí tó bá ṣaláìsí, the next thing you will see people posting is that ìgbà tó wà láyé ṣe kíní kan fún wọn, ṣe kíní kan fún wọn, post video wọn, why? After all, I have never done video like this. But I just felt the need to do it because it is not nice. Now, I take an example kan fún yín. Gbogbo àwọn actors and actresses wa, kọ́lọ́run kó jẹ́ kó dàgbà kan dógbò, ká má gbọ́ ibi sí wọn. Àwa náà tá ń wò wọ́n. Àtojúlùmọ̀ àtẹ̀bí àtàrà àtọ̀rẹ́ àtàrà àdúgbò, kọ́lọ́run kó dẹ̀mí gbogbo wa sí ká má kánjú lọ. The truth that I want to tell you now is, if it was somebody else that passed, tó bá jẹ́ pé ẹlòmíì lára àwọn olólùfẹ́ wa yìí ló ṣaláìsí, tí family wọn kan bọ́ta tó sọ wípé ibo lẹ wà kìnìkan ṣé mo wípé àǹtí náà máa wà lára àwọn tí wọ́n máa rìfáàsì. I don't know if you're getting what I'm saying. Tó bá jẹ́ pé lòmíì ló ṣaláìsí nínú àwọn tá a nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí, káwọn èèyàn kan wá bọ́ta wípé kí ló dé tó jẹ́ wípé kí n post wọn tí kìnìkan bá ṣẹlẹ̀ post wọn post video wọn tó bá ti ṣaláìsí ní gbogbo yín máa kọ RIP. She too would have been among the people that you are referring to. Do you understand what I'm saying? Now, where I'm going is, Sherry, nígbà míì, ojú téèyàn máa fi wo, you don't know, we just see all these celebrities online and you think that their life is perfect. You think that they don't have any problem. You think that gbogbo nǹkan ló ń lọ déédéé fún wọn because we see them coming out every day, wọ́n ya fìlà, wọ́n ṣe gbá, wọ́n ṣàwo, wọ́n ṣe movie. Now, that is why ojú yẹn lẹ máa fi ń wò wọ́n tó jẹ́ wípé tí nǹkan bá ti ṣẹlẹ̀, you will now be saying lágbájá kan ò support lágbájá kan, tàmẹ̀dù kan ò support tàmẹ̀dù kan. Mo ẹ̀yin gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí, everybody one of you that has made video, a lot of video, you know I don't play people's video. A lot of video of you that have come out to say that. Now I am asking you, nínú ẹ̀yin, though àwọn tó wá síta, most of àwọn tó sọ̀rọ̀, they are not popular faces. Mi ò mọ̀ wọ́n náà àwọn actor, àwọn actress, I don't know them. Ṣó yé yín? Now, but the question I have for these people, tí wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ yìí ni pé, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ṣe fídíò yìí, mélòó fídíò Aunty Allwell lẹ ti bá gbé, mélòó lẹ ti bá promote nínú gbogbo nǹkan tí Aunty Allwell yìí ṣe, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ṣe fídíò, ẹ lọ jókòó fúnra ara yín kẹ́ ẹ rò. I don't think this auntie has problem with any of her colleague. Ẹ̀yin lẹ máa make it, you just look for trouble where there is no trouble. Ẹ máa wá trouble níbi tí kò sí trouble. Because Ageshikole, tí Femi Ṣìṣe, this auntie was there. They were all laughing, having a good time. Tí anybody bá ṣe movie, go and watch those movies. Àwọn fúnra ara wọn tó ṣe movie náà máa ń gbé movie wọn sórí bí gala. Ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ̀rọ̀ síbi tọ́rọ̀ wà. Tí Fúnkẹ́ Akíndélé bá ṣe movie, ó máa gbé sórí bí gala ni. I'm advertise, she doesn't wait for anybody to advertise it for her. See, kí ló tin pé bá ṣe Wùmí Toríọlá, ẹ máa rí tó máa ṣe kí ló máa gbà wọ́n short video yẹn. Wọ́n máa gbé sórí ni. Ẹ ṣe, she's also inside. Ó wà nínú Làbákẹ́ Olódodo. Àwọn tó ní movie náà máa ń gbé movie wọn sórí. Àwọn náà máa lọ wá àwọn èèyàn pé àmọ́ ti ṣe movie o, come and promote it for me o. They will do short video, they will do. Don't make it look as if, you know, it's the responsibility. And I am using this, our celebrity, as an example. Beloved, I am doing this not even for the celebrity. I am doing it for our celebrity. I'm doing it for our celebrity. Èèyàn gbogbo wa, àwa tá ń sọ̀rọ̀ tá celebrity. How many times láti celebrate àwọn èèyàn tó súnmọ́ wa? Àwọn tí àwa celebrate yẹn, ṣé nítorí pé à ń bínú sí wọn àbá ń bá wọn jà la ṣe celebrate wọn or la ṣe gbé wọn sórí social media or la ṣe rántí birthday wọn? That is my question. Fáwa tá wà ń bí báyìí. Let's be sincere. So are you saying that if I am not celebrating people close to me, or if I'm not putting them on my head like gala, does that mean I have problem with them? That is the question that I am asking. Sometimes you don't, not because you have problem with them. Tó bá ṣe birthday, mo máa ń rí tí gbogbo àwọn colleague ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ kankan fún yín. Bí mo ṣe wà yín sìn, but àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi, a lot of them, I don't remember their birthday. I am not a bad person. I don't remember their birthday. Because come and ask me if I remember my birthday. Ẹ kọ́kọ́ wá bí mi. Ìgbà mi, ọjọ́ birthday mi kọ̀la. Àwọn ọmọ mi ló máa ní, mom, do you know what tomorrow is? Kọ́lọ́n kó fi gbogbo wa lọ́kàn balẹ̀. Sometimes I don't even remember my birthday. So I'm not going to come here and tell you that I remember the birthday of everybody close to me. I don't. So sometimes it's when I go on status. When I go on my status in the morning, then I will see people close to me that will put their picture. That is when I will say, or a lot of them, even Orente, my besties, all of them. Àtàwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi tó wà Naija. Tembashi Google mi fún yín sìn, mo fi birthday wọn síbẹ̀. Mo fi birthday wọn síbẹ̀ ni, so it will remind me a day before. Ó máa rán mi létí birthday wọn a day before, á tún wá rán mi létí láàárọ̀. I'm speaking for me now. So let's say I did not put it on my kí ló ti ń pè, calendar. See me, there was status me, bóyá ẹni yẹn gbé photo ẹ̀. And then mo pé ńgbà mi, some people will not even celebrate themselves. They won't put themselves on the status. I will not know they are celebrating birthday. But if I see it, ọ̀rẹ́ mi ṣe birthday, ó ti gbé síbẹ̀, màá sáré mú photo yẹn, mi náà celebrate it. So the day that I forgot, or the day my calendar did not remind me and I did not celebrate the person, am I a bad person? Ṣé mentality wa ń gbà mí? I don't understand. Tí èèyàn ò bá ṣẹ̀ mí, àfi tó bá yẹ pé ẹni yẹn ṣẹ̀ mí ló kù tẹ́lẹ̀. But pé èèyàn kò gbé mi lọ́jọ́ birthday, then automatically that person becomes my enemy. That is not me. That is not me. Now, beloved, let me ask you a question. How many of them are in the industry? Count how many of our celebrities are in the industry. So if we want to hold all our celebrity now that they are not celebrating each other, that means you are telling each celebrity to remember the birthday of every single because they are in the same carcass, isn't it? Shebi Nollywood, let me say Yoruba, I want Yoruba. I want to share Yoruba. Let me put them under. And ALWELL does not only do Yoruba, she does English too. So are you saying that each person needs to remember each of their celebrity lori? Question tí mo fẹ́ bi nìyẹn. Because if we don't give ourselves this mini kinotingpe, we'll be expecting too much from each other. Ade mama ko bara waja, ako mama nira wa sinu for no just cause ni. Haven't you seen even recently, mi ò mọ àwọn kan tó ṣe birthday tó máa rí àwọn colleague wọn tó máa wá ṣe happy belated tó máa kọ síbẹ̀ pé oh my God, I'm so sorry, I missed your birthday. Oh God, I can't believe I missed your birthday. Wọ́n wá rí wọ́n máa ṣe apology síbẹ̀, wọ́n máa ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá post the birthday yẹn sometimes a day, sometimes 2 days after the birthday yẹn ti kọjá. We are all humans. Don't let us start making kinotingpe out of nothing. Ẹ má bínú ẹ̀yin tẹ́ request, let me bring you up. Baby Sherry, you know I will always allow you to say your own opinion. What I'm saying now is my opinion. Opinion minimum, so it doesn't have to go with your own. But Bimo Sherry, I have seen instances where people expect too much from other people, and it takes away because this lady, she's no longer with us. Otilo simini. Emio, like I said, opinion te mi racist in le yato. Emi, tó bá jẹ́ pé mo wà nínú industry, what I will do now is to just, post her videos, níbi tí inú ẹ ti dùn, táyọ̀ ẹ ti kún, say nice things about her. That's all you can do. But now, you are now having a go at all our colleagues. Tí wọ́n try láti celebrate life ẹ̀. Kí lẹ fẹ́ kàn ṣe? Ẹ wá ní ẹ, ó ti ṣaláìsí sí, wọ́n kọ kíní kan. Àwọn tó máa ń celebrate ẹ̀ nígbà tó bá ń ṣe birthday. Ṣebí téèyàn bá ń ṣe kan náà celebrate èèyàn. Ẹ wá ní ẹ, gbogbo wọn kan tó bá yá sìn, tó bá yá. Ẹ rí pé àwọn èèyàn máa ṣaláìsí lára àwọn tá nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí, kò sẹ́ni tó máa kọ RIP mọ́. Oníkálùkù máa ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ pé àwọn ò rí, because the way tẹ́ ṣe máa ń drag wọn, when they say RIP ẹni yìí o, even mo rí téèyàn kan bú kí ni máa tó ṣe orí I forgot his name. Authentic. Authentic kinikan ó wá celebrate only for me to see a video where they were in location together just few only one wà ní location just few weeks ago. Mo tún rí ní ohun àti Muiwa kini ní Agẹṣinkọ́lé táwọn méjèèjì wà ńbẹ̀, and you are making it like that these people are so bad. That is okay now. So if I'm using myself as an example now, tí bá wà nínú industry yẹn, mo wà nínú industry yẹn, mo mọ̀ rí, actress ni mi, bóyá ẹ̀kọ̀kan tó bá ṣe birthday tí bá rí ni mo máa celebrate àjọ sí ní àjọ ṣeré, how will I put it, àjọ lọ, sometimes when you act and your location together, you ẹ máa jọ sọ̀rọ̀, ẹ máa jọ ṣe because ẹ jọ act eré, but sometimes tẹ́ bá jọ sí ní location ẹ lè má gbúrò ara yín for a long time. Do you understand? A kò máa rò pé àwọn people yóò ní life. They have life. They have husband, they have wives, they are busy with their life too. Forget 2-3 minutes video of them that we see online. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because I have seen instances. Because other than we pay our families, our celebrity, they wait till nǹkan bá ti ṣẹlẹ̀. They just come out and start calling out our colleagues, family. Mama call out to our colleagues. Most of their àwọn tó bá ti ṣaláìsí yẹn no ma wan call out to family. Ma play nǹkan tá burú ẹ sọ fún yín. I'll play what the brother said.